Привет! Welcome, добро пожаловать and labdien to my wonderful kitchen and my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make these delicious fish fried cutlets, котлетки. They are so yummy, so healthy, so delicious, and everyone really loves them so much. If you want to get access to this recipe, including 500 other amazing recipes, you can join my online cooking school at AllasYummyFood.com/recipes and join thousands of other students just like you. And we have our amazing cooking and baking community. You have my support, you have no ads in my membership, and it's just super easy to search for any recipe, so you don't have to break your head anymore. You also save time and money because all the recipes are 100% tested, so you'll never fail and waste any of that. I really hope you join our online cooking school, and you can find more details down below in my description box, or you can check it out on my website. Now let's get cooking. In your food processor, you want to add onions together with garlic. If you like garlic, you can use more. Then you want to add your egg yolks. Then I'm gonna blitz everything until it's nice and smooth, almost like a puree. We really want to break down that onion. It should look just like so. Next, over here I've got some white bread. I'm just gonna discard the bits around the bread because they could be harder. We really want to keep the middles only. So put your middle bits of your bread into a little bowl just like this. You can increase the amount of bread you use in this recipe, and you can completely exclude it as well. So it's up to you. The bread makes the cutlets much softer. We're then going to add milk and just press with our hands and soak it through. You want to just leave it for a few minutes until it breaks down and looks like a mushy bread, just like this. You then want to add this into your food processor. Add seasonings, paprika, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and anything else that you like. I'm then adding my fish. I usually add half of the fish first, blitz all of that together until it all comes into nice mixture. Transfer it into a large bowl. And then what I usually do, I add the remaining fish back in the food processor and just blitz it until it becomes nice and small. And then add it back into our original bowl. You can then mix the mixture together to make sure all the fish is incorporated. Then add your horseradish, which is an amazing addition to this recipe. Mix everything together. And then the next step is to really whisk our egg whites. So add your egg whites in a bowl together with salt, and we're going to whisk this for a few minutes until we get nice soft peaks. So start on low and then increase the speed to high to get nice soft meringue. This will really add airiness and fluffiness to our fish kotletki. Then you want to add a little bit at a time. So add 1 spoon first, gently mix it through. You really don't want to break down the egg whites and the air that we have just incorporated. So you want to be very gentle, mixing it inside your fish cutlets. Just going around the edges and then in the middle. And then just keep adding your egg whites until you're finished with it and folding that through until you have a nice fluffy mixture. Your mixture will be looser and it will look just like this. You then want to take your breadcrumbs and your fish mixture. I also have a little bowl with water where I'm going to dip my hands. You want to form beautiful fish patties. Whatever size you want, you can make them mini or you can make them this standard size. Tap them into the breadcrumbs and they look just like this. You want to repeat it with all your fish cutlets. I usually do it all at the same time and I place them onto a board so that it's easier for me to not get my hands dirty. And yeah, once they're done, put some oil into your pan with a little bit of butter for golden color. And then once your oil is heated up and boiling, you just want to add your fish cutlets. We're going to fry them on each side for 5 to 7 minutes, depending on your pan and your stove. So just monitor that. You want to cook it on a medium to low heat until they're nice and crispy outside and thoroughly cooked inside. Once they're fully cooked, just take them out, and you can drain them on the paper towel if you wish to get rid of any excess oil, and enjoy them straight away. You can serve them with any rice, noodles, buckwheat, salad. They're very, very juicy, very crispy outside, very soft and moist in the middle. And I just love the flavor of the horseradish in there, and it's all just absolutely amazing. Very, very soft and juicy, and they don't taste fishy at all. I usually add extra horseradish on top and enjoy it for my lunch and dinner.